Oh, you're gonna love this. Don't get better than that.
Watch the trees.
That was beautiful. Trees. And there goes Machinchy. Well done. Same place as yesterday, right? Give them a wave, everybody, as they go by. Look at that. Come on, wave to them. Wonderful stuff. Now these are very specialised scale models, really. And then particularly here, you see Chris Bowler going up and down there looking from where they would go on the World magazine. An up to megabyte memory on his camera. As you're looking to find what room? That's a clever bit of flying right in front of us. Like this sort of pattern flying, you know, it's very clever indeed it is. But the trouble is that it doesn't entertain the people at extreme ends of the flight line, understand? Probuild Yak 54, that's the one in front of us here, look. Another one out there by another Yak 54. That's the radio nose one, children. The one with the black nose on it, right? For the Yak 54. I was leaving to find that. Probuild models. They're all Probuild ropes. Probuild, look at the name. They look smashing, don't they? They're all in uniform Probuild. Very smart, you look, guys and dolls. Probuild. YT International then, the boys that make it that bit better. They really are good, and I mean it, they've got some beautiful aircraft, they really are. Ladies, gentlemen and children, just lift them on. Over goes the wing like that, called a wing over, that is, children. Wing over. Notice the way that this lad flies his glider, the half side is the full size of his glide, the Fox glider. This one on X. Next slide. You notice the way that when Ali goes over the top of this aircraft inside looping, he does it. Takes the throttle back on the aircraft like what you do in the real one. He's upside down now, children. What about that? Now, by the trees there, big aeroplane flies 75 miles an hour. That's 42. And a Cobra, like that. Nobody does it better, ladies and gentlemen. He's the most safest demonstration pilot I've ever known in my life, but I've commentated on him all over the world. Wings are stressed, the 9G. Flying. Reversal there. fly. Dive for the pilot through the nose. Through on the top. What I love about Ali is he always gives me a proper flight line. Wherever I presented him worldwide, he goes all along with flight lines, which is nice. Like that. All it gets, isn't it? A showstopper indeed he is. He's the director of Probuild Team, and it's nothing for him to work an 18-hour day like his father, but it makes work, it makes profit for people, and he's made the price of it like that. Maybe the paddle ball, like that. Always ways for out there, look. Flying his airplane. Might as well. With Bob Bryan, who's standing behind him. A marvellous F-15 Eagle goes off there like that. Makes a lovely noise. That F-15 does look good, eh? Up at the Liverpool Club, Andrew Johnson.
I think it tends to be a bit of a
That's a number of these great turbines. Look at that, that's the way it should be landed. Beautifully.